Hi, it's Emily from WTI, and I have with me Jupiter and his toy, the Wickedbone. This is a really fun app-controlled dog bone for your feisty pup. If you have a pup that is super hard to keep entertained and really high energy like Jupiter, you should definitely check out the Wickedbone.
The first thing I noticed was how well packaged this product was. It came with everything you needed and a really easy to follow quick start guide. I also felt like immediately I could tell this was going to be an interesting toy for him because it had that sort of wobble and move that was like unpredictable and I knew would keep Jupiter interested. It's easy to connect. You just download the app and tap it to the bone and it connects with Bluetooth. It's also really fun to drive. It's kind of like driving a remote control car. And we found that this worked well on hardwoods and carpet. It's just a little bit faster on hardwoods. There's all sorts of tricks that you can make it do. We used the trick to get Jupiter used to this toy and not scared of it by adding a little bit of peanut butter to it, so he was interested in it right away. It took him a little bit to warm up, but once he got the hang of it, he had a really good time. We also tried this out with our friends, two Aussies, and they were really entertained. They played together with it and thought that it was very fun. We would definitely feel like this would help to keep anxious dogs entertained and excited.
I think your pup will like this as much as Jupiter does, and that's our point of view.